Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Once again, my name is Daniel. Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's well. Keeping strong. Now we're in June. We are in the last final season of Texas storm season, severe weather season. So let's make a video together, and as you can see, it is raining. So guys, why don't you ride along with me and let's talk about something, if I can get it. Alright you guys, this year has been a little bit wild, a little bit quiet with severe weather. There's been a number of tornadoes around the Waco area, which is where I live, and we saw a lot of cloud to ground lightning, hail, no crazy wind, I mean no crazy other stuff. So it is raining right now. We should get some more weather this weekend. So if you have any plans and you're living in America or whatever, look at that sky right there. And just be safe, be careful. Now, a lot of people ask me, have I ever come face to face with cloud to ground lightning? Many times I have. If you go on to my last videos, I think the close lightning strike. Look at that rain. Look at that, guys. Look at that rain over there. I have been close call with lightning strike. Usually it doesn't happen often, but there we go. Where I live, because I live up on a high platform, sometime I will see a bulb of lightning struck directly in front of me. Last Friday, on the last videos I did with the Texas interesting thunderstorm, there was a lot of close lightning. So I don't want to be face to face when lightning struck. I have seen a lot of lightning struck trees, transformer line, water, and all of that stuff. God, these people are winding me up. It's only 8:02 in the morning and they're still winding me up. So anyway, people, July is round the corner, and there's something I want to share with you guys. At the end of June, the beginning of July, I don't know if it's gonna happen. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I'm gonna be hanging out with a lot of famous people. I don't know I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I hope so. And do video with them and all of that stuff. So that's gonna be sometime in July this month. So storm season, thank you guys. Enjoying the video. I know it's not much, but at least we got something. Okay, so why don't you guys ride along home with me? And it is raining. Always raining in June. Now guys, you see that transmission tower right there, right in front of me? That got struck by lightning that Friday, and I think we just saw a lightning. I'm not sure. So let's enjoy the ride home safe, the highway safe. And people throwing shit on the road. Now today we do have a chance for some severe storm, but that's going to be later on today or tonight, and hopefully we can do, hope we can do some videos, have fun together. Alright, you guys. Sunny drizzle rain. I know it's not much, but I'm driving home and got a new job, so I'm gonna be around a lot. Hopefully in July next month, myself and my team, or my guys, will come up with an idea to do a new video. And go on from there. One time I was driving under that bridge, and the lightning struck right in the middle of the concrete wall. That was terrifying. Tornadoes, I have been in maybe 4 or 5 tornadoes, but the last video I posted was Easter Sunday tornado of 2020. It happened last year. I will never forget that night. Never forget it. I will never forget that night. But here we are, driving on a gravel road. We gotta go slow because obviously my neighbour's been such a crybaby bitch. Think they own this road and all of that bullshit. Alright, you guys, I know it's not much of a video, just giving an update and share with you guys, and hopefully we can do some good video. Once again, we're in June. This is the final season of Texas severe weather, and if you watched this video, go ahead and like it. I mean, if you have any comment, go ahead and comment below. If you're new to my channel, again, welcome. If you're just exploring or looking for something, I completely understand. If you want to subscribe me, feel free to subscribe me and keep up with the latest, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.